So we've just spent a few days in Steiermark or Styria. It's a beautiful wine region in Southern Austria. It's about 2.5 hours away from Vienna, but it's also very close to Zagreb and Croatia in terms of getting here and an international airport. It's probably one of the least known wine regions in Austria, but it's absolutely stunning. So we'd encourage you to come and discover it. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's just the most beautiful land of rolling hills and green pastures, vineyards. Around every corner is a stunning view. It's great for cycling. People come here for biking holidays, for walking, hiking. And it's all about food, wine, gastronomy, but also wellness. There's a big focus on healthy eating and spas and spa treatments. We've been staying a few days in a beautiful wine hotel here in Südsteiermark, but we'd thoroughly recommend it. In terms of the wines are, it's famous here for Sauvignon Blanc, so it's not about Grüne Veltliner here. There's a little bit of Riesling, but it really is about Sauvignon Blanc and about Burgundy grapes, so including Chardonnay and Pinot Blanc, but there's also Welsh Riesling is also a popular white grape. So it's all about white wines here, but the master, the king of them all is Sauvignon here. Absolutely sharp, straight, really refreshing, great acidity, really stunning wines. So if you like your white wines, you like your Sauvignon, and you're looking for something different and looking to discover a really beautiful rural environment which is totally unspoiled, green, lush, welcoming, then come to Styria, Steiermark in Southern Austria.
Leutschach, Graz and Gamlitz. And this is not every winery, of course, can do this to produce in 3 different villages, but that's really nice to have it here on the side by side.
Do in Southern Styria is to enjoy the beautiful landscape, so it's really worth to come here. We call Southern Styria also the Styrian Tuscany, so we are similar, the same landscape than in Tuscany with one exception. As you can see behind here, also in summer everything is green, it's fresh, and it's really worth to visit Southern Styria. The most common things is to visit wineries or to go to the so-called Buschenschank, which is very traditional, where you can enjoy the homemade food from our farmers. But there's also the possibility to visit one of our high decorated restaurants in Southern Styria, where we have a lot of them in here. Our hotel has 38 rooms, which are rooms with balcony or also suites. We are a small family-run hotel, like a boutique hotel, where you can enjoy also our gastronomy at the Kreuzwirt. We serve the wines mainly from Hannes Sabathi. He's producing the wines from our vineyards. We own 30 hectares of vineyards in the surroundings near the hotel, and we appreciate to welcome you soon here in Southern Styria. Thank you.